trying to be quiet. The kids are still sleeping. Oh, that was heavy. That was 50 pounds. And one down, two to go. I like it. That's empty. Okay, now for the top piece. A lot lighter. Good. Alright, that's the middle box, middle drawers. Now the base cabinet. Third one. 70 pounds. Okay, I had a moment of panic there. I had the keys to the other two units, but this one was locked, and this base piece was locked as well. And I couldn't figure out how to open it up. But it's got this long bar on top that holds the long door in place on the bottom. Once I pulled this bar out, I was able to lift up the door and get at this, which is, I'm sure, going to be the keys and the wheels, or at least I hope. We'll find out here. And there's the wheels. We might upgrade those. No keys. You know, it wasn't locked after all. Just that metal bar. Whew. Here are my keys. I'm happy. Alright, I'm putting together my 11 drawer tool chest from Dollar General. This is the cheap brand from Harbor Freight, but for a part-time hobbyist, I can pay $150 for a tool chest, but I can't pay, you know, $1,500, $2,000. Like the nice caster wheels on the right side, because that's where the handle is to pull it around. I want the steering wheel to be just like in a car, where the wheels that turn are in front. It's easier motion. I put them on backwards a minute ago, so I'm just swapping them around now. Okay, two down, two last wheel. Last screw. Okay, all tightened up. Let's see how this thing works. Okay, nice, I like it. So you want the caster wheels on the side that you pull from. Alright, just put it on the handles on the base unit. Okay. We'll go ahead and put the handles on that as well. And later on, during the kids' naps, we'll put the tools in there. everything's got a padded surface. It looks like I have an extra padded spot, but it might be for the base unit here. Yeah. Nothing like protecting your tools. I'm excited. Alright, you know the drill. Put the handles on, stack it up, put more handles on. I can do this in private. Okay, I'm manhandling the top shelf on now. Looks like this is a travel chest. It's going to have handles on either side and all the handles in front. Excellent. Okay. Get those on. Let me get my good screwdriver.